Everyone remain seated when we go under a bridge. Not allowed to touch the bridges and please keep your arms inside the boat. Permanezcan sentados cuando estamos pasando un puente. Nuestra es hacer el recorrido en español e inglés, pero de esta manera todo será más corto. Tenemos algunos que prefieren el tour. You can also try the Danish cuisine since Hamlet actually takes place here in Denmark. If you want to visit the castle of Hamlet, you can go to the beach city called Helsinki. It's about a 40-minute train ride from here. El edificio de aquí a la izquierda es el Teatro Real danés. Había most expensive apartments in Copenhagen. One apartment here costs 9 million euros. Aquí a la derecha cuesta 9 millones de euros. Here on the right side, you es el barco real más viejo en todo el mundo. A la derecha podemos ver la Serenita, y la Serenita ha estado en esta fiesta para más de 100 años. Hop on and off bus, it goes out here, and with the ticket you bought for this boat, you have a 20. The statue was a donation from the owner of the Carlsberg. Behind Amalienborg, you can see the marble church. It took around 150 years to build this church, since marble is not a cheap material here in Denmark, and Denmark kept getting bankrupt while building it. So it's quiet to enjoy the beautiful surroundings or listen to some Manu Charles. It's called the Black Diamond because the building is slightly tilted towards the water, so when the sun is shining at it in the morning hours, the water in front of it will shine bright like a diamond. El edificio negro aquí a la derecha es el Biblioteca Real. Under the bridge, thank you. In the middle of this bridge, you can see the face of my ex.
Standing at the bottom of the glass, hoping one day you make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so far. You see how when you close touch, surely down. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. I couldn't fight it, but I hope you see my face and that you'll be reminded of me. It isn't no